Okay, guys. So this is the intro. We have a new contestant. Say hi, Kayla.
Bye.
Okay. You remember from the last video? She didn't really like our last dessert.
This
But
one
this
we'll make
time,
sure.
she likes drinks. You like drinks, right? So we're gonna try all of these drinks. All of these drinks. This is called drinking test. We're gonna try to drink the drinks. So we need one more cup.
And we also decided to put a little bit of
Here, hold
a
this.
contest in here. If
A
you don't
contest?
drink a drink, you owe both the people $1 each.
I don't have a cup.
Okay?
Ow!
You have to get one more cup.
There, look. Okay, try
Use
now.
the small one.
Try now.
Where?
Try now.
It's back. What?
Try it now.
Wait. We're not starting yet.
Dude,
Kayla.
why are you recording?
Okay.
Alright, here you go.
So
Take control.
this is cranberry. Were you drinking cranberry first? Is
I'm
cranberry
talking
first?
to you. I'm talking to
We're
my
doing
friend.
cranberry first.
Yeah, cranberry.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just put a little bit. You don't need to fill it up. All you have to do is put a tiny bit.
And put as much
Fine,
as you
now
can.
it's yours. Put a tiny bit.
Put as much
no, like a
no, you
tiny
just,
drop.
oh yeah, because we can't drink the whole thing.
Yeah. We're not going to
Too
spend the
bad.
whole
I'm gonna
video
drink it all. It's
drinking
cranberry
the
juice.
drink.
I'm gonna drink it all.
Yeah, it's cranberry juice. Are you done?
Oh.
I don't even like cranberry juice.
Okay, yeah. Just put them a little bit, cause you're just gonna wait. You better drink it all. You're gonna.
Alright, let's just get rid of the rule we did from earlier. Fine.
No, it's not.
Okay, let's do this. You guys ready?
But you know what? We're keeping the rule. Because I'm going to drink this.
What's the rule?
Go.
If you don't drink one, you have to owe both the people $1 each.
Okay, so when we get paid, we owe each other money.
Oh.
You don't even clean your area though, dude.
I have money.
I don't
You
even
don't.
like
Oh, yeah, you're
cranberry
victim anymore.
juice.
Okay.
Alright?
I don't even like cranberry juice. This tastes
Wait, but
gross.
they're not racist. They can't say if they were drinking it.
You guys
No.
look this.
Here, I showed the little part where we're drinking it. Alright, do the same for me. Just show my lips. Just show my lips.
Okay, don't move. Don't move.
And then my dad and my brother in the living room.
I'm showing my
Show
lips.
your lips. Show your lips. Okay, now
But
Kayla.
my house,
Showing
like
your
in
lips. Kayla, showing your
my
lips.
other
You have
house,
to drink
I
it
have
again.
my own room.
I never even
Kayla's
drank
talking to
cranberry
her
juice before.
friend. Your cranberry juice tastes gross. Drink it. You love cranberry juice.
Yeah.
What?
You love cranberry
I
juice.
hate cranberry juice.
Okay, should
Wait,
we
what
drink
did
it?
you say?
Okay.
I don't want this.
What did you say before that?
We don't have to drink all of it.
No, I'm done.
That's why I told
Here,
you.
don't mind.
No, that's why I told you to just pour a tiny
Yeah,
bit.
don't
because
mind.
we're not
This
going
is
to
You
drink
better drink it all. What the heck, dude?
What?
Okay, just
This one's mine.
You want it?
No.
You go throw it.
Okay, which
No,
one's
don't
yours?
throw it. This is mine. I had more. And less tahi. Oh, my stomach already hurts when we already first started this video.
All the salt went to the bottom.
Okay. So, next is Minute Maid Mango Punch.
Okay, that's fine. I'll drink that one.
Put mine down. Please.
Right here?
Yeah. Why didn't you wash it?
Ah, my phone!
Go wash them.
Okay, go.
Alright, cut it off.
Alright, so are you guys ready for the mango punch?
I'll put it.
I'll
Okay,
do
okay.
the cranberry. Put this away.
Kayla. Me. My other cousin.
My other cousin.
That's it? There's no more?
There's still more. You want it?
No. Just saying.
Just drink it
Okay,
right now.
don't
though,
forget.
So we can just like throw it away. Ew.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, guys.
No. You
No,
gotta
that
try
is-
something different.
No thinking? Okay, we have to put something different on top.
Yeah. Or do you want to do it with all the drinks?
You don't have to put
Okay.
this tahini on top.
No, you have to be cool.
And why do you guys put so much? Just put like a tiny sip.
Okay, come on. Are you
You're
not cool?
still
You're not
late.
cool. Everyone unsubscribe to CDL Games. I mean, ASS Jedi. Because he doesn't. Hey, I'm going to show your face if you don't. Okay, fine. He's a loser. He owes us 50 cents.
You're such a loser.
Okay.
You're a loser. Look how much you
Okay,
bought.
right. You want one more?
I'm not gonna drink the Arizona.
I will.
I'll drink it. No, not right
What
now. Not
the-
right now. Not right now.
Not
Okay.
that one. This one.
Oh.
Okay. I'll drink this one. Kayla, drink it.
Okay, this one's actually good.
It's fine.
Okay, now you drink it. Wait. Let me show your lips. Okay, there. I'm showing your lips. Okay, now show my lips. Here. when you have my lips.
What? No. Why are you recording me?
I have your lips. It looks so weird just showing your lips. When you coughed, I almost got your face, but I didn't.
Doesn't taste that good. Our consistent Kayla has left us, but
Consistent?
I don't know what I said. Okay, anyways. So next is, since everyone likes Minute Maid so much, strawberry lemon. Minute Maid
This
strawberry
time,
lemon.
you know, I'll pour myself. I'll
Hold
pour
it.
myself this time.
Hold it. Okay.
How many more do we have?
Okay. So not that much because guys keep giving
You're
us so much.
bad. No, I'm pouring my own.
I swear to God. Just trust
Pour
me.
pour like one thing. There. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
See, I told you. Look at that. What's the? Okay, you have to do tahini because that's a little bit. All right. All right.
No. Tahini, why am I gonna
Stop.
do
Because you're a loser.
tahini?
Shut up. Okay. So get my lips.
Got him.
Okay.
You suck. You didn't even get him drinking it.
Yes, I did.
That's actually pretty good. Wow, watch. Try.
Right.
Let me get your lips. Don't move. Let me give you lips. Okay, I got you. Don't got you. It's super good, huh? Oh, it's super good.
Why is there tahini?
Go. Your arm keeps getting in the way. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So I heard milk and tahini does not taste good together. So we're gonna try that. That's what we're gonna do.
No.
Hold the camera. Hold the
I'm
camera.
not gonna do
You owe me a dollar then. You owe me a
No,
dollar.
I don't, because tahini was never a part of this.
Okay, fine. Without
You know,
tahini.
might as
Fine,
well-
without tahini. You don't have to do it with tahini. Okay,
You want me
tahini
to tiny stop, because I do not want to drink milk.
of tahini.
Yeah, milk makes you smell. Stop. Stop.
We don't have any. Okay, there.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want that much milk either because all I like is milk. Okay. You have to do a piece of tahini at least. Or else everyone knows
There's
you're a
already a
loser.
piece in here.
Oh, there is. Look at everyone. Look at that piece. Because Carlos is a loser. Look at me. Look at me. Because I'm savage. 24 savage, actually.
Let's go. Recording.
Wait, wait. Carlos. Don't. Try to drink with your left hand this time. Because I can't see your lips. Because you're. Okay, go. How's that taste? Okay, my
Delicious.
turn. Here, hold the
It's
camera.
actually not that bad.
Well, I have tahini though, so tell me when you got my lips. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Good. You actually can't taste the tahini. All right, next we're gonna go wash our cups and we'll
Alright,
be
this
right
time
back.
we really have to wash it.
All right, so I'm here. I'm going to drink the Arizona. My Carlos, can you being butthurt? Or are you gonna drink the Arizona?
No, I'm not.
Okay, here, hold the camera.
I can't.
I've never tasted Arizona. Actually, I'm not gonna lie.
It's disgusting, okay? It's disgusting.
Oh.
I hate how people like it. I don't know. I can't understand.
I'll just give the rest to Kayla because she seems to love it. And with tahini?
Why are you pouring a lot? You can
Because I've
drink
never
it?
tasted
You know, fine. I'll drink it. I'll drink it. You can pour it.
Everyone subscribe to him because you're not being a loser. Yeah. Okay. Tahini though. You have to with tahini.
No, I'm not putting tahini.
You have to.
Tiny bit. Stop there. That's like more tahini than Arizona.
Okay. Take a picture of my lips. I mean, not a picture. Record my lips. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. The Arizona tastes like water, but like not good water. Drink with your left. Wait. Okay.
Can't be that bad, right? It's
Drink.
Arizona.
So how do you think of that?
Honestly, no. This one's not bad. I tasted a worse one.
Yeah. Which one's the worst one?
I don't know. Powerade! Powerade, yes.
Yeah, Powerade. Are we gonna have to drink that? Because that wasn't part of this.
No, that's not part of
I don't even know what that is.
it. Pineapple.
Okay, we're gonna drink that, and that we'll see you after we washed our cups.
The good one's that.
Powerade! Yay!
Watch this manliness.
Actually, give me.
I said watch this manliness.
Fine. You're opening with your left hand. That's why. Oh wait, that's how you open that. Huh? Watch this. Watch
Wait,
this.
no.
No,
Stop my powerfulness.
You get powerful after you drink the Powerade. Watch this. Watch this.
Yeah. You already drank some Powerade, definitely.
Watch this.
You already drank some Powerade.
No. What? I need to.
Manly.
Okay.
Manly. See the power that the Powerade gives you.
Okay.
All right. I'll take quite a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah. There. That's fine. Oh my god.
I mean, it's Powerade.
Yeah. It's
With tahini.
Stop. No, I'm not playing Diane. I'm not.
Hold on, I'll do it.
I'm not. Stop. I'm not.
You're such a loser.
Why would I? Why do I don't
Comment on his latest video.
Stop.
Did I put any?
No, you didn't.
Let me put one. Let me
No.
put one.
All right, go. Start.
Wait. One.
Start.
I'll try to get one.
Start. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not putting it in. I don't like Diane. Okay.
I found one. That's not one, but
No,
still.
no.
So leads, come on. Don't be a
start-
wimp.
start
Don't be,
video.
please. I want to do this. Come on, please. Just let me. Let me. What's so bad? I'm just gonna put this much. That doesn't hurt. That doesn't hurt. Look at this much. That doesn't hurt. Why are my fingers so wrinkled?
I don't know. Okay. All right. Start.
Please let me.
Hurry.
Look how much tahini I got, and he just has nothing.
I
Okay.
don't have
Anyways,
all day. I
get my
wanna
lips. Yeah. That actually tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Don't cover the camera. Remember, you're too close. I mean, you're too far. Here you go. Come on, it's just Powerade. Please, you're putting your finger in front of the. Stop! You're gonna show your face. I actually got a picture of your whole cheek. All right, next. Okay, when?
Manliness.
Just let me open it.
String.
Oh, you actually opened it. Okay, pour it in that cup, and that cup, and that cup. That
Pretty
cup,
sad
that
how you
cup.
said, "Oh, you actually opened it."
Shut up. Just look at that green. Green is one of my favorite colors. Actually, probably my favorite color. You mean like about the same amount?
I mean, I could drink a lot of this one, but nah, you know, like we already drank a lot of drink.
Okay, since you have a little bit, let me put tahini.
Oh my god!
Actually, you know what?
Stop!
Look, he's a little loser. Oh, I'll put a bunch of tahini. Look at my tahini, look at his tahini. Show me your tahini.
All right, come get me.
You don't want me? Yeah,
No.
get you.
No, stop.
Okay, fine, loser. Okay, go. Stop doing that. I couldn't even see you. Okay, I saw you, but like, don't do that. Why do you have to go like?
I didn't go like that.
You got me? You got me? Yeah? Okay, if I'm being honest, what was your favorite one?
No, the last one.
I like that. That was my favorite one. This best for last.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, our outro is Little Water Drop. Okay, so
All right. Bye, guys.
Yeah.
See you in the next video.
don't forget to hit that rectangle, red. Just subscribe, please.
Okay.
And don't forget to like the video if you like the video because you like the video because you like the video, and subscribe if you like the video.
It's going on too long. You know that, right?
Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, dude.